I am unboxing the very first So Confident subscription box. Oh my goodness, I'm very excited for this. Hi, I'm Emma from Studio 77. Welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you are new. Today, like I say, I'm going to unbox this very first subscription box. What a whopper it is. First of all, I'm very excited to see what's inside. Okay, before we go any further, I have to tell you there are spoilers ahead. So if you've got one of these boxes and you haven't opened yours yet, come back later and let me know what you think once you've opened it. Now, as a bag maker, there's not many subscription boxes for bag making, so I made my own. But that means I don't get any surprises. So when So Confident announced that they had their very first subscription box, I knew that the So Confident team are kind of very modern thinking, and I was very excited to jump on board. So they have not sent me this for free. I have purchased this myself. So this is a complete unbiased view. So let's get into it and see what's inside. Now, like I say, it is a whopper of a box. And I have to say, I like that they have gone for a very similar box feel to what I use, with this opening on the front. So let's see what's inside. Oh my goodness. So first of all, they have their own So Confident tissue paper. Okay, first things first, there's a really cute little heart tag. That is really nice. Love that it's on that little heart card as well, so it doesn't get lost. We have got a leaflet. Welcome to your So Confident subscription. In this box you have your pattern, fabric and notions to complete a beautiful garment. Pre-wash like a boss. Before we get going though, you need to make sure your fabric is pre-washed. And as well, I should tell you that there is a included 2-hour sewing session to sew this up, which I thought was a really nice idea. Helps you with accountability and helps you get it done, which is really good for me. And you can watch it afterwards if you're not live, and there's just all the other info of what is inside. All right, awesome. So first of all, we have the pattern, which is an AO size pattern, looks like, AO sheets. What is it? I do not know what it is. Right, let's see what's inside. Ooh, okay. That is very cool. It's kind of like American neon sign fabric. And I don't know what it is. Maybe it's a viscose? I'm not sure. I'm sure we're going to find out. Then we've got some interfacing, black interfacing, Bonder web. Very exciting. Some more interfacing. Heavy duty snaps. Wow. I will say I have forgotten what I paid for this subscription, so I will pop it up on the screen. That is as of February. We're in February 2025. We have got some thread, Madeira Aurifil thread in a navy. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at this gorgeousness. Wow. So we have got this navy cord fabric. It's not super heavyweight, which is good. It's going to make it not too tricky. Just check I haven't missed anything in the bottom to sew up. Let's move that box out the way now. I don't know how many meters are in here. That's really cool. So let's have a look at this pattern. What have I missed here? Okay, so there's a QR code on the back of the leaflet that I can scan, and it's going to tell me all the information about the box in detail. And the box membership gets you access to all our subscription sew-alongs, as well as all the past sew-alongs we have ever done. Wow, that's really cool. And there's a monthly social where they get together over Zoom and finish any of our mini projects. That is awesome. So I will definitely be checking that out. Let's have a look at the pattern that is included. We have got the sea foam shacket. That's very exciting. So I know that I don't think they've done many patterns before, so I'm pretty sure that this is a new pattern to them, and this is their new range of patterns. I believe they're coming out with new patterns. So it's a shacket. I'm really excited for this. This is going to be perfect for the spring months. It's pretty cold still here, so perfect. I'm pretty sure that the sew along is next Thursday, so I'm going to try and get everything washed and ready for that. So I will again pop up on the screen an image of what the shacket design is going to look like, and any information that I may have missed when I have a little look on this more in detail for that QR code. Hello, future Emma here. I have to add this in. I have just reached out to Jenny at So Confident. So I have something exciting to tell you, but also I did have a chance to look at the QR code, and Jenny at So Confident has agreed that I can show you a little bit of behind the scenes of how the website is. So I will pop a little bit of that on the screen right now. Also, I'm super excited to say that Jenny has agreed to do a little collaboration. So if you use my affiliate link to join in the So Confident box, I will, or Jenny will print and pop in the next box a free pattern for you, one of my patterns. So this will be a beginner bag making pattern. I hope you love it. Please do reach out if you have any questions. All right, back to the video. So here I have laid out all of the different elements that you get inside the box. As you can see, we've got our 2 different fabrics. We have got our thread, we have got this heavy duty snaps for the front of the shacket. We've got the pattern, of course. We have got our label, we've got some bond web, which I'm intrigued as how that's going to work in. I'm guessing we're going to do some applique details onto the front of the jacket. And we've got our interfacing, which I'm guessing is for the collar. Really cool. I'm excited to dive in. What do you think of this box? Let me know in the comments below. Let me know if you have joined the So Confident subscription box. I do think it's awesome already. Thanks so much for watching. You can find all the links to everything I've talked about in the description box below. Let me know what you think in the comments. The next video you're going to want to watch is this one coming up on the screen right now, which is the January 2025 Bag Makers box. I go through all the goodies involved, and you can see whether it's something that you might be interested in. I'll see you on the next video.